Hello everyone, this is Unreal Noob and welcome to Unreal Engine 4 Beginners tutorial. We are making an infinite runner, and in the last video we made the music and the SFX slider. So the music one shows how much sound you are at right now. The SFX one was not set, so we'll set that one up first, and then we will go to the shop, and so that once we upgrade, it deducts the coin that we have and upgrades it. So let us get started. The first thing we'll be doing is moving into our runner folder, and let us go into widgets, UI shop. No, the first we need to make sure the SFX one works as well. So we open up the UI options and click on the number, right to the SFX, and in the text create a binding. We'll just copy paste whatever we had from the music one, just like that, and in the slider we'll put it in like that. So now if we play and go to the options, now even this one shows up the numbers pretty much correctly. And so let us get started with the shop part. So in this upgrade, make sure you have clicked the button and scroll down and view the on clicked. Over here we are like upgrading our magnet duration, but before that we would require it to check for the coins that we have, and if that coin if we have that specific number of coin upgrade. So before making changes to the on clicked button, let us make uh, do some conditioning in the event construct. The first thing would be the load game. No, the first one would be, does save game exist? The slot name is the name from the player controller, so it would be the save game name, that is Infinite Runner. So make sure that is it. Promote to variable, save game save, and compile. So it's saved as Infinite Runner, so we do a branch from it. Exists, it does, and if it does, we would want to load game from slot. Again, the slot name would be this, and we promote to the variable, promote to a variable. We'll call it IR save game reference, and then we want to cast, actually we can leave it over there. And over here, before all of these, we would require this IR save game. Actually, let us go to the player struct and add one more variable over here. Let's call it coin requirement. It would be of the type integer, and by default, let's say we want to set it at 100. For testing purposes, you can say have it at 1000, of course. So once that is done, actually let's not do at 100 either, let's do it at 50 for our sake. Let's do it at 50, close it, and let's get back to the UI shop, and from the IR save game reference we want to cast to BP save game. We want to get the player stats, and let us break it, and we want to make sure that our total coin is greater than or equal to our coin requirement, and only if it is true we then set the members in the player struct. We need to set the coins and the coin requirement. We need to subtract the coins, and we need to increase the coin requirement for the next one. So like for the first one, for the first upgrade it should be 50, and the second upgrade it should be, let's say, 100, and then 150, and then 200, and it goes on so on. So that's that. And um so for that coin requirement, let's do what we should do is just add 50 to it after every upgrade, and the total coin should be subtracted. The coin requirement should be subtracted from the total coin, and that will be our new coin. And then we need to save it to the slot, and the slot name would be that, and the save game reference is our IR save game. So once that is done, and also we have to make sure that we can upgrade our coins to how much ever we want it to be. Let's say like right now it is 15, we can change it to 200, 250, but we don't want that. We want to make sure that it does not go that uh, duration maximum can go to, let's say, 45, 35 seconds, let's say maximum 35 seconds. Let's increase it by 2 seconds at each. So let's clamp it, clamp float. So what this clamp would do is it will just make sure the value remains in between 15 and how much maximum we want it to go by, 15 seconds, and 25 should be enough, I guess. 25 seconds, that should be the maximum you can upgrade it to. And over here we also want to make sure that yeah, that any of these occurs only if um, the magnet duration is less than equal to 25. Because we don't want to like subtract the coins, total coins, after I have reached at 25. After 25 I do it should not upgrade at all. And let's do something else as well. On construct, let's do sequence, and what is the button number? 159. Yeah, sorry, 159. Yeah, let's get a reference to that. And we'll do the same thing that we did over here. And if it is not less, if it is greater than equal to 25. We want to, can we destroy? We cannot destroy. Set visibility to hidden, and on click. Unbind all events from onClicked. That should be it. So let's check if our code works. We have 183. Let's go to the shop. We want to upgrade to 17. And guys, you can skip to 26 minutes and 2 seconds. I have solved the issue over there. We still have our coins at 183, so let's see what happened. Are we saving our game? We are saving our game. Our coins would be total coins. Let's wait, run or save. Everything seems to be in order. Shop upgrade to 19. It's still at 183. Doesn't make sense. And it is from total coins, right? Yeah. Making sure total coins is coin requirement is 50. Let's do something. This is our main menu, right? So let us open up our main menu widget, and coin, let's get a text. It is the total coin, so there's nothing wrong with that. Let's add in a delay. Maybe it could be an issue of the delay. Shop upgrade, still 183. It's not enough from slot. I'm sure I'm saving this. Maybe I should save it at the very end. Yeah, probably that was it. Let's collect some coins. You probably have to save everything at save the game at the very end. Like we cannot uh, add something to that later on down the line. We have the magnet. Let's see, I have let's go to the shop, upgrade it 23. I cannot upgrade it anymore. This one isn't updating over here. Let's see why is that. The code works, but it's not updating. Let's do this. Let's go to option, reset everything. I have 0 shop. This one does not get reset, of course. Let's do something. In the UI options, the reset button, let's make sure we reset the other save game as well. Let's do a sequence. From this one, does save game exist? It would be the menu save. Let's branch it, and if it is true, we delete save game in slot, and that would be our menu one. So let's go to option, reset. Why is there nothing for? Option. Okay, let's see what that was. Option, let's reset this. That one. Let's go to main menu. Shop, it's 15. Options, they're all set to 100. Let's see, options 23. Then saving. Okay, we have updatation issues. We can solve it in a few minutes, but other than that, okay, everything's fixed. So let's start the game. Let's collect some coins. We need 50 coins the first time around to upgrade, so let's make sure we have 50 coins. Okay, now I'll just go and die. Exit to main menu. I have 102. Shop, upgrade, I have 17. I still 19. I cannot upgrade more than twice, but this is not actually, it's the code's working, but it does not show up. It does not refresh over there. So let's see what our issues are. This is the issue. From here, just like that. Set members, and we'll just set the SFX to let's set them all to be 1, I guess. Yeah, that would be good enough. So that being done, that should solve our errors. And for the coin part, yeah, slot, let's do something. Let's do it over here. We don't have to do it over here at event construct. Okay, let's just bring in the load game after the branch and cast it from there. Actually, let's set it from over here, just like that, and we just then save it over there. So we go to options, reset everything, so everything's reset. Options show should be and okay, so I have to reset it to actually like get it to work. So we will debug it in the next class. For now, let's just make sure the shop works. So we start the game. Collect around 50 coins. Give me a second. We only need 50, but I'll just start 100 maybe, or yeah, I'll just leave it at 50. Let's see what happens. have 100. Let's die, and 100 shows up. Let's upgrade. It's still 100. We can't upgrade more than twice and we quit. So what's the issue? Hmm. Total coins is perfect. Okay, we are setting the coins over here. My man, like shit. The total coins has to be set as this. I'm an idiot. I'm a total idiot. So yeah. Um, I'm sorry if you had to like wait so much for just a little bit of change such as that. But let us reset. It's a good thing actually. Like we also came up with this bug. So I'll start again and in the option let's lower the volume, and the shop it's 15. So let us collect the coins again, 50 coins. Okay, we have 50 coins. Now time to die. And I died. I have 55 coins. So let's go to the shop, upgrade it once, and I have 5 coins left, and that works. Nice. So let's play the game, and I still have 0.5 and everything works. So I'll stop the video over here in this lecture, and in the next tutorial we'll be fixing some bugs. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed and learned something from it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.